Oh my God! I am amazed!
Ito na yung pinakamagandang coverage na loose powder.
So, sa mga oily skin dyan, actually, si Elana yung isa sa mga dapat natakbuhan nyo.
This is first layer of application and look at the difference. I don't have to say anything anymore.
Noong una rin guys, medyo skeptical ako kasi syempre powder lang yan. Paano naman ako mabibigyan ng coverage? Pero nung in-apply ko siya sa skin, talagang napawawa ko na hindi ko aakalain na powder lang yung in-apply ko.
Kita nyo kung paano niya na-cover yung dark circles ko and I can skip concealer and powder and straight up with the mineral foundation. It's really, really nice.
I've been loving the Elana powders ever since I tried it. Kasi si Elana guys pala is vegan, they are cruelty-free, they are paraben-free, they are safe for pregnant and lactating moms, even for a kid's skin. Meron siyang kaolin clay na sobrang swak sa mga oily skin.